Hello everyone, myself Prashanti Sharma, Principal of Rainbow Pre-Primary School, Ambegaon, Pune. I consider myself extremely fortunate to work with such a committed, creative and supportive staff as well as students. Every day brings fresh learning for all of my students and I even find new ways to explain things. Our concentration is on the development of each and every unique student and expectation for them are quite high. In addition, we have a curriculum and practice in the most cutting edge way. We are associated with EduVet. Our children are loving the new curriculum more because it includes hands-on activities in subjects like science and mathematics as well as wonderful language exercises. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi Babu, Senior Teacher as well as Founder Member of Rainbow Pre-Primary School, Ambegaon. At Rainbow Pre-Primary School, the growth of each and every individual is our focus. Expectations of our students are really high. Apart from that, we have the curriculum and we are practicing in the most modernized method that will helpful for our students. We are happy to be associated with EduVet. Even the techniques that we are using with our teachers are totally developed by modern approach. In Rainbow Pre-Primary School, we are trying to give quality education to students. For the same, we have shifted now from the traditional education to visualized virtual education. We are tied up with EduVet curriculum. For along with that, we have implemented activity kit box to all the students. Last but not the least, that I am very grateful to work with Rainbow Pre-Primary School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Archana, Coordinator of Rainbow Pre-Primary School, Ambegaon, Pune. In the Rainbow Pre-Primary School, we are trying to give a quality education to the students for the same. We have shifted now from the traditional education to the visualized virtual education. We are tied up with EduVet curriculum. EduVet had provided the teacher training program and ERP training too. EduVet had given the two kits for pre-primary section. It's Maths Visualization and the next is English Explorer. It is very easy to make a child understand about the kit. If a child does not understand the way we teach, we should teach them the way that they learn. That's why EduVet focuses on learning of each and every child. Thank you.
Hello, myself Priya Bhosle, working as senior teacher since 5 years. It is great pride to be working in Rainbow Pre-Primary School. I am very much happy to be a part of Rainbow family, as here you get freedom for applying skills, creativity and innovation. In last 5 years, I have seen growth and we are get associated with EduVet, which is adding advantage of our curriculum. Thank you.
So my name is Anil Tevri. My son's name is Veer Tevri. He is studying here in Rainbow School since he was in nursery. So the overall staff is very cooperative here. So since nursery, there was the extra care has been taken in terms of studies, extracurricular activities, and overall the staff has taken good care of my son. So which is reflected in his behavior also and also in his studies. So I strongly recommend Rainbow School. So overall it's a very good experience with the Rainbow School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rameshwar Indoria. My child name is Ved Rameshwar Indoria. Actually he is currently learning in the first standard. We have taken his admission from the playgroup till first standard. He is learning in the Rainbow Pre-Primary School. Overall my observation overall my experience is good about the learning, about the faculties and all. So every faculty is taking care of the students in a personal way. They focused on the communication as well as the extracurricular activities which I observed. So my personal experience is good. Thanks Rainbow.
Hello everyone, welcome to Rainbow Pre-Primary School, Ambegaon, Pune. We are Pune's #1 activity-based learning school and parent top-rated school, Ambegaon location. We strongly believe in practical and hands-on learning, so accordingly we have designed our curriculum from playgroup to grade 5. So what are you waiting for? Please come visit us and do admission with us. Thank you.